Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy satay sauce. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This creamy, spicy peanut butter satay sauce is the perfect dip for chicken or beef skewers. I've got 3 heaped tablespoons of smooth peanut butter here, and I'm going to start by placing that into a small saucepan. Now add a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, 200 ml or 7 ounces of full fat canned coconut milk, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground coriander. Heat the sauce over a medium heat while stirring with a wooden spoon. The sauce will look quite thin at first, but then as it comes close to boiling point, it'll start to thicken. We don't actually want to let it come to the boil, but as it's approaching boiling point, just turn down the heat and keep stirring until it thickens. Then we'll turn off the heat and add the juice of a lime. Serve with a sprinkling of chopped toasted peanuts and an extra sprinkle of chili flakes if you like it spicy. And there you go, that's my easy homemade satay sauce. Serve it warm or cold with beef or chicken skewers. A lot easier than you might think and super tasty.